before watching this video, make sure you guys check out me on Instagram and follow me. I'll drop a link in the
Hi
description.
dudes, welcome to my very first face cam video, and it was myself Yadu who was making a lot of content these many days. We were not able to set up our studio and make a dedicated face cam video, but finally this got happened in this video. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the Instagram TV application, which is latest released for the Android smartphones out there, and it is going well, and it is also known as the competitor of YouTube. So let's check it out in this video, the application itself, and let's talk about the pros. And if this is your first time here and you want to get to know about the latest technology in the quality way, then make sure you guys subscribe and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started.
Netflix hosted by Yadav.
You might have seen the Instagram TV application, that is the IGTV, which is officially released by the Instagram just a week before. So people are using this in a nice way, and it is also easy to install. Just go to the Play Store and search for IGTV. I have already installed it, and I'll also drop a link in the description so you guys can go and check it out. The IGTV, I am also have uploaded the first video in my Ammo Geek account. As you can go and check it out me on follow me in the Instagram, and also I'm just working on the latest content to bring in the IGTV application also. And the IGTV application, which is latest released for Android, is very nice. I'll just open it for the first time, and let me log into the account and I'll just show you. So as you guys can see, the IGTV application which is released for the Android is pretty cool, and one of the best thing about this is also a podcast where you can't podcast live, but something you can upload your own content and show it in front of the audience. So basically this is in a portrait mode. You can't upload landscape mode videos. If you upload also, it gonna be cropped into the ratio, I guess. But I have not yet tried the landscape mode. If you have tried to upload the landscape mode video, what happens, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, this you have to record if you want to upload a video. As you guys can see here, I am seeing a video of from Liu of Unbox Therapy, one of the best tech YouTuber. So he has also uploaded his some of the content, and as you guys can see, it is very simple and minimalist to use the application interface itself. Just select the video which you wanna see, and you guys can directly open, just clicking on it in a portrait mode, which is easy to handle in your mobile phone devices. So it's pretty fast and much accurate in good phones. As you guys can see, it feels so cool just holding in and just watching some content on the go without any landscape mode, or turning the phone side by side and just watching. This is one of the best, offers the best quality, but still there are some of the bugs where you can't search directly the videos. You can't even directly search for a particular video. Instead you have to select for the particular content creator name or a YouTube channel, something which is like a, just search for the Instagram channel, and you got to checking in his content. You'll get the one which you were searching. By like that you can get your own content. So as you guys can see, we have a loads of content already uploaded. Some of them are even trending too. So I am also uploaded a video. So here you have to click on some channel button where I click on now. Yeah, there we can upload the video. Click on upload and select the video which you want. Right now I'll be selecting the portrait video itself. So as you guys can see, I selected this one. This is in a portrait mode because I have already cropped it. Next, and type in the title. I'm going to type my title, something just whatever. Okay, I'm just typing. Okay, now I have uploaded. As you guys can see here, it's starting to upload. Oh my god. Okay, one just a minute. Yeah, I'll get it. So yes, we have uploaded. It takes time to upload. Once when you upload, you can directly view, and even your followers might get a notification so that you have uploaded. Even they will get to know about your content also. So that's it for this today's video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. Let me know how you felt about the application in the comment section down below. That was it for today. Thank you so much.